Today, we're diving into the CiT Elite Micro PC case, a sleek and budget-friendly option tailored for business and office environments. With its micro ATX compatibility, this mini tower chassis offers a compact yet efficient design, perfect for those looking to optimize their workspace without compromising on performance. One of the standout features of the Elite Micro PC case is its full mesh front panel, promoting excellent airflow to keep your components running cool and steady. Paired with an 80mm rear cooling fan and Intel-approved TC 2.0 thermal chassis, you can trust that your system will stay thermally optimized even during those long office hours. In terms of connectivity, the Elite doesn't disappoint. Sporting 1x USB 3.0 and 1x USB 2.0 ports conveniently located on the front panel, you'll have easy access to your peripherals without the hassle of reaching around the back of your PC. Visually, the black chassis with a black-coated interior exudes a professional aesthetic, seamlessly blending into any office environment. Whether it's sitting on your desk or tucked away in a corner, the Elite Micro PC case adds a touch of sophistication to your setup. Weighing in at just 4.2 kilograms, this lightweight yet sturdy case is easy to maneuver and install, making it ideal for both seasoned builders and first-time PC enthusiasts alike. Overall, the CiT Elite Micro PC case delivers on its promise of being a budget-friendly business and office solution. With its simple yet effective design, reliable cooling capabilities, and convenient connectivity options, it's a solid choice for those seeking a hassle-free PC building experience without breaking the bank. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.